right, this is the 2017 Subaru Impreza. Okay, I'm going to show you how I pull up, engage and release the parking brake in this vehicle. Okay, all right. Can you go ahead and give me a like and also read your user manual before you operate this vehicle at all? So what I'm going to do is I am sitting in the driver's side part of the vehicle with the vehicle in park. Okay, as you can see, it's in park. I'm going to put my foot on the brake, make sure the foot brake is in, applied, and then I'm going to reach to the center, and you see this right here. I'm going to take this and I'm going to pull it until it stops. Okay, you got to pull it up. If you're not strong enough to pull it all the way up like this, you may have to have someone help you out or read the user manual. Okay, so it's pulled up, and I'm going to release my foot off the brake, and as you can see, okay, the parking brake is applied. As you can see right here, it's up. In order to release it, I'm going to put my foot on the brake. You see the cars aren't in park, and I'm going to lift up slightly, press this button, and let this thing release and go back down. And so that's how I engage and disengage the parking brake on the 2017 Subaru Impreza. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.